Social media measurement is the process of reviewing and measuring the effects of social media activity on your business. It's a great way to understand if the efforts you've been putting into Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok have been paying off. Key metrics are available for free within platforms like Instagram and Facebook. This is Facebook Insights, where you can review how many people have been shown your posts and how well each of your posts has performed in terms of engagement, such as likes, clicks, and views. You can change your date range, and you can look at overall graphs showing you peaks and troughs in your activity. You also get some great information about your audience in the platform too. And you can get detailed analysis of how each of your posts has performed. So what are the key metrics you can review to understand how your social media is performing? The first is looking at your followers or likes. The next is to look at your reach. This is how many people have been shown your posts. Some platforms also report on impressions. That's how many times your posts have been shown. Engagement is crucial to understand how well your content is being received. That's likes and reactions, comments, shares, saves, or retweets. Traffic to your website from social media is really important if you're looking to generate bookings. You might look at how many private messages you're receiving on a weekly basis to understand just how powerful your social media is for customer service. And detailed activity on your website. So if you're using any booking forms, contact forms, or perhaps any menu downloads, have a look at how well those have performed too. All of the major social media platforms have their own inbuilt analytics sections. They're available for free once you become a business account. This is looking at Instagram Insights on the app. You can have a look to see how well your content has been performing in terms of reach, engagement, and general clicks. It will also give you some good clues as to where your audience is coming from. Where are they located, and how have they found your content? TikTok offers analytics too for free for business accounts. You get a good overview about each of your videos and how they've been performing in terms of reach and engagement. You also get statistics around how many people are clicking on the link in your bio. And you can see on the whole how many people you've reached and how many times your videos have been viewed. A really useful tool for measuring your website activity is Google Analytics. This is a free tool that you can plug into your website, and it will tell you how many people are visiting your websites, where they're coming from, and which pages they're specifically going to. You'll be able to see if your website traffic has come in through search, which is people searching in Google, directly, or whether it's come from other websites, which would be a referral, or whether it's come from social media. You can click into these sections to find out a little bit more about exactly where that traffic's come from. You'll also be able to identify if there've been any peaks and troughs in your activity. For example, this website has driven nearly 900 hits to my website just by simply linking to it on a particular day in the middle of January. You'll also be able to see which social media sites your traffic has come through from directly. In this case, Facebook has driven me the most traffic this month, with over 80 hits coming directly to my site. You can then see how many pages each of those people have looked at on average in pages per session, and the average session duration. You should be assessing key metrics on a regular basis to understand how successful your social media activity is. This will also allow you to improve on your content, making it even more successful and therefore attracting more audiences. You'll be able to then focus your time and energy on what activity works best.